And now weather with Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
Well, it feels like the rain shut down and the heat cranked up, and it has certainly been a hot weekend here. Quick peek at radar, nothing going on. Temperatures today, hot again, topping out right around 90. Here in Springfield, 90 degrees. That is the third day in a row that we have hit the 90-degree mark. And while that is a little bit unusual to see that level of heat early in the month of June, if you look back at the records even over the last 10 years, it does happen. In fact, we've had 90s as early May. It's a hot weekend. It was a dry weekend, and I think it was a weekend that a lot of folks probably spent out on area lakes and rivers. We do have some wet weather on the way. This is Cristobal. We've been tracking Cristobal and the potential of that storm impacting our area for probably over a week now. That storm has now finally made landfall. It did so just south of New Orleans. In fact, right now the center is pretty close to the New Orleans area. Winds officially at 50 miles per hour, moving north at 7 miles per hour, and this is the forecast track. And that'll take it across Arkansas during the afternoon on Monday and across our area Monday night into Tuesday morning. You can see by Tuesday afternoon it's lifting north across western Illinois. Now with that track, especially really very close to the center and then east of the center, there will be the threat of a prolonged period of heavy rainfall. And that's why we have a flash flood watch in effect, which stretches all the way from the state line to the north through Arkansas. Looks like that flash flood watch, this is for Monday afternoon through Tuesday morning. A general 1 to 3 inches of rain is likely, but they're going to be locally higher totals. This is a tropical system, so it has its own envelope of high levels of moisture. And a lot of times with these tropical systems, once the rain gets in, you get very, very efficient rainfall rates. So we're going to be watching for that as we head into Monday evening and overnight Monday night. Now, the severe weather risk. Sometimes you have severe weather with these tropical systems, and for tomorrow afternoon, it certainly will be in place across Mississippi into western Tennessee and possibly northeast Arkansas. But the northeast quadrant of that storm, where you can find severe weather, will be moving across north central Arkansas, south central Missouri. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's not an isolated threat for severe weather. Stronger wind gusts and possibly even a very, very low risk of tornadoes. Also, we're going to have some stronger wind gusts in general, mainly along and east of Highway 65. Generally 30 to 40 mile per hour gusts will be a possibility. Here's our hour-by-hour forecast. And for tonight, it's quiet. For tomorrow morning, it's quiet. For tomorrow afternoon, that's when we find the wet weather spreading north into north central Arkansas. And you can see by early evening, we've got heavy rain all the way north to the state line. That rain will continue to spread north overnight, Monday night. That's midnight. This is 6 o'clock Tuesday morning, and then by noon on Tuesday, that storm is gone. It's heading out. But within that 12-hour time frame that it's moving across the area, we are going to see some very heavy rainfall. Now, there will be a very sharp cutoff to that rain to the west. It looks like areas between I-49 and Highway 65. That's where that cutoff is going to be. Here in Springfield, though, it looks like we are going to see some heavy rainfall, and especially just east of Highway 65 appears to be where we're going to have that stripe of heaviest rain. Totals that could top maybe 4 or 5 inches. Temperatures tonight dropping to about 69. Highs tomorrow around 88. I do want to talk about Tuesday afternoon because Cristobal moves out, but a very potent storm will be moving in. Now, some good news is right now it looks like the overall storm threat looks limited, but if storms can fire late Tuesday afternoon, there will be the risk, given the amount of wind energy, for some severe weather. After Tuesday, we've got a very quiet, pleasant stretch of weather for June right into the upcoming weekend.
Not bad. We'll make it through that. Just get a little
couple of days.
Yeah, that's all we got to suffer through with the heat. We'll be straight, smooth sailing for the rest of the week after that. Okay. Thanks, Jamie. Here.